Hey guys, I just want to share with you this PWAY KVM Switch. It has you can connect two PC, and it has two HDMI port output and 4 HDMI input, and it has 4 USB as well, 4 USB connection. So it's a KVM switch, and I really like it. It's very handy. So I have two computers that I need to use, one for my work and one for my personal. So yeah, I highly recommend this PWAY KVM switch. It's not too expensive. It's a worth of money, but yeah, it's a good investment as well. So if you have two computers at home, one for work and one for home computer, then you might need to invest this kind of switch. So yeah, I really like it. So this is, you can press the button. So this is in PC1, so PC2, which is that's my, so that one, right, that is my, okay, there you go, and that is my second, my personal or home computer. Yeah, so it's good, right? So if you want to invest it, I would suggest buy this one in Amazon. It's not too expensive, yeah, and you will like it as well. Okay, so I just want to show you the back. So that's the back. So it has two, yeah. Okay, just want to share with you guys. Thank you.